Hello folks, it's Bill from One Betty Bill. Hope you've had a great holiday. We had company over. We did a cookout on our grill. My son got me this grill, Charbroil grill, last year. 2, 4, 6 burners and the side warmer. Great little grill. But this one lady asked, she says, hey, I live by myself. Now, my husband passed recently, and there's this chain hanging on the side with this little stick. She said, that's on mine too. She says, can you tell me what that's for? I had to think for a minute, because I haven't used it for a couple years. And I said, oh, that baby. You could scratch your butt with it. You could scratch behind your ear while you're cooking. Keep your hands clean. Put paper towel in there. Wipe your face off. Keep your hand clean. But the real reason that baby's there is to light your grill. In case your little igniter doesn't work. So all you do with that is get your match. I use the old farmer matches. It's your match, and you put a match in there. I say it's been a while since I've done it, but we'll get it in there. Little spring action in there. And that baby holds the match. You want it straight out from the stick. Now when you get ready, you turn your burners on. Put your burners on. You strike your match. Give the flame. Whoa, this is fun. And then should be a hole up here where you stick that match in the hole, and it comes out under the burner, and it'll light your grill. Quick and easy way to light the grill if you don't have a starter on it or your starter's malfunctioning. So we just thought we'd share that with you all. And you have a great evening and happy cooking. Happy grilling. Thank you.